Mode.network is the latest airdrop that the Black Lion Kings Discord group is jumping into. I posted this up inside the Black Lion Kings airdrop channel itself, and this happens to be one of the easiest airdrops you can possibly get into. It's an Ethereum Layer 2 modular DeFi Layer 2 token. Sounds really good. Sounds like it's going to do really well. The modular sector of DeFi is going to do really well, but none of that matters. All we're here for is to make ourselves eligible for another airdrop and possibly take some of the profits from it and sell it off and do whatever you want with it. You know, so that's all we're really here for. So we're going to go through exactly how to get this airdrop. We're going to try to make this as quick as possible. We're going to just follow the instructions. And so I'm going to just drag over the Telegram and we're going to go through it that way. Step-by-step guide. First, you have to connect a VPN. All right. The VPN I use is ExpressVPN. You can look in the link below to join this one. I'll put the referral link in the description below. I added the modular, I just added it by network, so you have to click here, whatever VPN app you're using. And I just, instead of adding the entire browser, the Chrome browser or the Edge browser, I just added the actual web page for it. Okay, because it's going to say, oh, you're not allowed, if you're in the US, it's going to say you're not allowed to join into this airdrop, which most airdrops, if they're compliant, they're going to say something like that. Okay, so connect a VPN, visit the Mode airdrop page, which is what we were at, and use the referral link below. It's going to make you use a referral link. So enter invite code, and the code is there. I'll have that in the description below as well. And I'll just start reading off it from the side, or you can join Discord. You can join the Discord group, go to the airdrops page, and it'll be one of the most recent posts in there. So we're going to go to the airdrops page. We're going to click on airdrop, which happens to be app.mode.network/early. Okay, I'm already connected. I'm going to disconnect so we can go back through it. Okay, and this is the page you're going to see. Check your eligibility, and then enter the invite code. So we're going to copy the invite code. We're going to paste it in just so you can see what happens. Okay, so you get the check mark there. Connect to Twitter. Going to connect back to my Twitter account. My Twitter account is in the description below. Bitcoins. Authorize app. Okay, it's going to give you another check mark, and then you're going to connect your wallet to check your score. The idea here is they're just going off of your past history of other. They're checking your history of seeing which other Ethereum DeFi networks you have connected to in the past. Okay, so ultimately, so I already have that wallet connected. I'm going to put this in the description below as well. You're going to want to add the MetaMask, but preferably the MetaMask Chrome extension. Okay, so if you don't know where it is, just type in Chrome extension MetaMask. Okay, then once you get to that page, you already had it added to Chrome. It's going to say add to Chrome. Make sure you are on the correct MetaMask, because there are probably a bunch of fakes. This one has 16 million users. Make sure you're not using something that has like 1600 or anything less than that. There's going to be a blue button that says add to Chrome. You click add to Chrome, and then you're going to go into your wallet, and then you are going to, let me go to the actual main ETH. Then you are going to create a wallet. It's going to go through the process of creating a wallet. I have created a video on exactly how to do that, and I'll put that in the video, in a video link right above. So take a look at the video link right above, and you'll see the link to the video if you don't already have a MetaMask wallet. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, we're going back here. I'm eligible for 278 points, and this is one of my oldest main wallets that I've been using for several years now, and I have 278 wallets, so it'd be interesting to see what other people are getting. And I only bridged about $20 worth of Ethereum, but the main part is those are the instructions to get into this airdrop. It looks like there are 2 days and roughly around 8 hours, you can come back to this page, check out all the other information. In order to gain more points, you're going to want to put in, I would say, every day until these 2 days are up. For the next 2 days, you're going to want to put in, say, however much you can afford to bridge over. And so we're going to go over into the bridge, and this is just showing you what the bridge is going to look like. You're going to keep this here. You're going to want to take at least $20 to $40 worth of Ethereum, because the fees are going to be somewhere between $10 and $20 to transfer over. But trust me, with all the airdrops that I've been a part of, that $20, that gas fee, they're basically paying you back with the airdrop for the gas fee times 10. This could be $100 airdrop, or it can be $1,000 airdrop. With this airdrop, there's a possibility that there aren't very many people on it, so the distribution is going to be bigger per person. Okay, so keep that in mind. The transaction time is going to take about 3 minutes. You're going to want to bridge over the Ethereum, or if you have USDT, USDC, or wrap Bitcoin, same thing here. Over into the mode network, wait for it to connect. You're going to want to connect back, because right now, in order to sign up for this, you had to add in the mode network. And the way you do that, if I can find here we go, all the tabs, you're going to want to click on mode on chainlist.org. Okay, if it can load up fast enough. Then once you find mode, you're gonna click add to MetaMask. Okay, make sure it's the mode mainnet and not the mode testnet. We're past testnet, on mode now. Click add to MetaMask. You're gonna get some prompts that pop up. Click yes, and then click sign, or approve, and then sign. Okay, and then once you do that, I already have the network on mine. Then you come back here, and you're able to follow the instructions as I just said. Make sure you bridge some Ethereum into it. That's very important. Otherwise, you may not get to this page. But there are other ways to add to your points. Okay, and one of the things that I happened to do was I did the mode NS. Basically, it's I created bedcoins.mode, and honestly, it costs only a few dollars in gas fees. It costs around $5. And here, I'm gonna just show you Bedcoins 1. All right, available. Okay, and this is how you get an extra bonus. You get extra bonus points for using these apps here. So then it looks like it's $5.03, and then you click register, and then honestly the gas was only a few dollars, surprisingly, so it came out to about $7.50. So very affordable. And you can come here and use this as it's called a mode name service. It's basically your web URL where you can accept mode and Ethereum and different other tokens and do other things under these name services. Okay, so it's useful. There are a few other here: Pool Shark, Kim Exchange, Ionic, whichever ones you're comfortable jumping into. That'll add to the points you get for this mode airdrop. But this is one of the easiest airdrops that we're going to even show you, that are going to even come up in crypto right now. And all you have to do is sign up and prove that you've used in any decentralized finance app on Ethereum in the past. Okay, and even if you haven't, come here and use one of these dApps, do the mode name service, and you might get the minimum amount, but hey, it's free money, right? So I'm gonna leave it there. That's it. Come join the Discord. We talk about airdrops all day, every day. We have so many free airdrops that cost $0. That's what we're trying to focus on with the group. And then we have some other airdrops that costs $5, $10, $15, $20 to get into, and you can amass a few $100s. If you scroll through our Discord, then you'll see that we have received at least 3 airdrops in the past month. One for Magic Eden, one for Jupiter Swap, and another for the exciting play to earn game, Mavia. So come join us. Let's talk about everything. Come add to the discussion. And thanks for watching. That'll be all.